Yeah, guys, let's start. So there are 3 straightforward steps to set up SDXL on Google Colab. The first step is to basically go to Civit AI, which is a website that stores lots of AI models. We'll be using this particular model. It's called Illustrious and based after Stable Diffusion XL. Civit AI also has an API, but we will be downloading this model and uploading it on our Google Drive. Yeah, after downloading the model, make sure to put it in the checkpoints folder inside your drive. Now let's go to the second step. It's very simple. Just copy and paste all the prompts from the description to Gemini inside your Colab notebook one by one. Avoid running the prompts all at once. Don't forget to set the model to Gemini 3 Flash before running your prompts. So I'll just be running these prompts one by one, and you can skip ahead in the video if you don't want to watch this part. The code which you get would most likely be almost identical to whatever is on the screen. So in the second prompt, I'm basically setting the default image dimensions to be 1024 into 512, which would result in a horizontal landscape orientation for the generated image. You can change the image dimensions to whatever you want in the Gradio UI, or even inside the code here itself to suit your needs. Also, don't forget to change the runtime type to a Tesla 4 GPU, otherwise it will run very slowly with the default CPU. Let's just do a last-minute check to see if everything is fine. Then all we have to do now is to simply click Run All to get the notebook going. Now it would take like 5 minutes to load the model, so I'm just skipping ahead to show the cell output along with the Gradio UI. Great work on getting to the last step. Now we would be having some fun and toying around with the model. I would be putting some example prompts to show you how you can tell the model what features to generate, but it's up to you to follow them. I encourage you to play around and discover some new stuff. So let's see how this sample character comes out. It's a fairly basic prompt compared to the ones in Civit AI. And yeah, you can see with this horizontal orientation, there's more space for the background, also the lighting's really good. Now as an experiment, I'm gonna take the same seed and use it to generate a female character with the exact same features and background, except I've just removed the word checkered. Maybe it's difficult to generate that. It takes around 17 seconds to generate the image based on the default settings. I'm just speeding the video up to save time. So here I'm just experimenting with the same seed and trying out different features like adding a beard or making the character look up with a surprised expression. I'll just remove the beard from this prompt and see how it turns out. So I've been using the standard Euler sampler for all these generations, and it's one of the most reliable samplers. But you can try looking at Civit AI and see what kinds of samplers they use. Some of them use Karras and others use Heun to get some interesting results. The link for the model is there in the description, so you can go there and scroll down on that page to see the image gallery. Then click on any image to see the prompt and parameters which were used to make that particular image. Yeah, you can see it can generate pretty good backgrounds or wallpapers too. Let me try adding one last character here, and we will conclude the tutorial. Yeah, it worked out pretty well. This model is good with fingers too. So we will try covering more features like using LoRa's, which basically allows you to manipulate the style of the model. That's about it for now. Thank you for watching.